everyone. I am Dhayan Abraham, one of the partners at Sujo Plast. We are a manufacturing company focused in automotive and houseware industries. We recently upgraded our tool room with a VMC from STM. The service and support from the STM team has been fantastic. It really made it easy for us to get started and fully utilize the machine. This is a big step forward for us, and we are excited about how it will enhance our production and the quality of the product we deliver. I am extremely impressed with the performance of the VL850. The surface finish of the electrodes machined in this machine has exceeded our expectations, showcasing the exceptional precision it offers. Additionally, the machine's construction is highly rigid, ensuring stability and the accuracy during operation. Overall, the VL850 has proven to be outstanding. Has been an outstanding addition to our production process, and we are extremely satisfied with its results. I'd like to thank the STM team for their overall support.